This is my show. Did anyone catch the delay? Alright, you know what? They aren't quite getting into it. You know what? Let's just play a little music so that they get into it.
That's what he recognizes.
That has nothing to do with the magic. I just wanted to see if they do it. And Tim, you were better than Miley Cyrus. He was wow. You guys in the front row got a little bit more in your bargain. All right, well, let's do a magic trick. Taylor's like, I don't want to do a magic trick. You know, Tim, I have a feeling you're going to like this next. Here we go. We have almost reach in the bag. We got lock and a key. Lock and a key. Magic lock. Lock and key, inspect the lock, inspect the key. Make sure the lock doesn't come apart without the key, and tell me when you are done. Good? Make sure there are no trap doors, chewing bubble gum, scotch tape, any of that. Are we good? Look at me like I'm stupid. Maybe I am. That's good. Just set that down and put over there. Awesome. And Tim, if I could have you please just scoot over just a little bit. That way. Right there, awesome. Wouldn't want you to hit your chin on the trap door. Thank you. Some shackles. I'm too excited. Inspect the shackles. Make sure they don't come apart. Make sure that there's no loose spots. Tell me if they are good. He acts like he knows what he's doing. They good? All right, inspect those for just a second. Thank you. All right, that was the fun part. Now here comes the not fun part. Here we have the magical cloth of doom. Which side won? Okay. Yeah. I'm just kidding. Here we go. Hold on to the top corner. You do the same. Step on the bottom corner. Hold it up all the way, keeping it tight across the top. And step out in front so everyone can see you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Aren't you just delicious? Looks like you matched your shirt with the cloth. Hey. All right, that was just practice. We can lay that down just like this. Take it. Now, pick up the lock, pick up the key. I will pick up the shackles. Actually, you hold on to those. Awesome. Harry Houdini, one of the world's greatest escape artists, could escape out of a straitjacket in just 30 seconds. Myself or Tim are not quite as good as Harry Houdini, so instead of escaping out of a straitjacket, I'm going to escape out of my tuck jacket.
It's taking a long
The black one, too.
Yeah.
No one told me to love me.
Should get the dancing. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's
That just got off. Shackles here. Open up the lock. Now here comes the fun part. Get to lock me up. See how eager he is? Take and lock down 2 links, 1 on each side. Get it real close down to my wrist. Yeah, come on, get it tighter on that one. Yeah, tighter. Ooh. That's, yeah, okay, locked up. That's good. Take the key. Don't throw it away. You do the same thing on the change those things outside. Now walk up 2 links close to my wrist. Yeah. Really made you mad, didn't I? Should have made you do the dancer afterwards. My hands turned purple. You're not the one in the shackles. Now, here comes the fun part. Hide those somewhere where I wouldn't know where they're at. Be creative. That wasn't creative. Hey, get out! Oh, I missed where you put it. That's the fun part. You're all right, though. You start to turn to my friend Tim here. Don't forget Brent, though. All right, lift it up all the way. Here we go. Lift it up all the way. 1, 2, wait. We forgot something. I forget. We forgot the danger. That's really cool. We don't have to do that anymore. I can lower that down just a little bit. Here, somewhere here. Oh, I have the danger. Just take that, hold it by the top. Now, lift it up in the cloth too. Now, hold that water over the cloth. This is an escape underwater. This will look real good in the paper tomorrow. All right, keep holding it up. Here we go. Hold it up there. Awesome. Thank you so much. We're going to go around here. Just give me this. Just keep it feel like. Hold the water. Thank you. Hold up all the way. Awesome. FFA kids are getting a little backstage show. All right, now lower it down just a little bit. Okay, if you guys aren't following this, just watch really close. It's going to be great. Hold it up all the way. Got a couple blondes in the front. All right, on the count of 3, I want you to take that cloth and lower it past your knees. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, okay, here we go. Kind of a tight situation here. Taylor, do me a favor, give that lock a little tug there. Give it a tug, come on. Pull, come on, big, oh! Okay, you can stop now. Yeah. You'd never believe where that chain just went. You gotta go get it. Just hold on to the lock and pull it down a little bit. Pull the lock down. Okay, yeah, that's good. You can let go. I want to have kids. Raise it up all the way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now, on the count of 3, what I want you to do is take the cloth and drop it, not the water. 1, 2, 3. And that's those of you guys who are busy on YouTube. Oh, wow. I'm going to put that in there. I don't know if I want to touch it. It's warm. It's warm. All right, guys. Keep it going.